Today I will teach you how to add a COD form expenses in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. Adding expenses is essential, because if you have a consolidated report of expenses, tracking or reviewing will be much easier. A COD form of expenses is a kind of expenses that are already paid upon delivery, or direct payment is done when the product was received from other stores or vendors. Hence, the phrase cash on delivery or COD. Now let's start. The first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Type your company name. For example, I will type Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Now that we've entered, we need to go to the vendor module. Click the arrow at the left side. After clicking, two options will appear, namely, Enter Bills and Cash Payment Voucher. Click Enter Bills. Once you've clicked it, the supplier's invoice will come out above. Click the Create button beside it to create a new supplier's invoice. Type the company name of the vendor or the owner's name. After typing, do not forget to click the Go button. Set exact date of transaction. Type the invoice number of the receipt. Set the terms to COD. At the memo, write the name of the bought product, number of pieces, and other information pertaining to the product. Then input the cost of the product at the amount section. Leave the last section blank if not applicable. After filling in all the needed information about the bought item, click the Select option at the very bottom. It will show three options: Assets, Purchases, and Expenses. The receipt that we are adding to the system happens to be expenses, so we'll select Expenses. Once you click the Expenses option, certain sections need to be filled. Skip the second and fourth section, cause its function will be farther discussed in the following tutorials. For now, let's start by selecting the type of chart account. After clicking this, a bunch of account type will pop out, so be sure to pick the accurate one that would fit the item's description. The product's name is premium fuel, so it is therefore classified as fuel and oil. Now proceed to the third section. When clicking it, there is only one option, namely, Accounts Payable. Click the specified option. Now let's fill up the last and final section. Click the chart of account at the very bottom. From the given selections, choose Cash on Delivery. Double-check all the information you had input if they're appropriate. Then click the Create button. After clicking the Create button, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.